Well, good morning guys. It is still morning. Just had to drop Nanny off for a minute, so I've come out here. I believe it's called the Batch, or that is over there. Long story, I'm afraid. This thing here, catapult launch aeroplane. Many years ago, somebody asked me to make a Zing Wing. So I looked it up, found out what it was, which is a folding aeroplane like that. Made it out of polystyrene pizza trays, and it sort of worked, not very well. And then I spotted these on eBay and bought a box full of them, I don't know, about 50 or something. Still got some left. Anyway, the long story is, the guy who designed the original Zing Wing and manufactured it as a sort of startup company, put a message on my original video suggesting ways to improve it. Well, that was sort of 10 years ago, so I wasn't going to worry about that. But he pointed out that he did the original design and the original manufacture. And I said I was pretty sure I still had some of these in a box, which I do. It's a little bit crushed. I don't know if it'll work, and it's not one of his originals. It's a Chinese reproduction. But we'll see if we can get it to work. Got a problem with the camera this morning, didn't want to work. It seems to be working at the moment. I've forgotten the wind protection, so, well, we'll just have a go, see how we get on. Don't even know if we're still recording. Yeah, it looks like we are. So, catapult glider. Can we open it? I'll be surprised if the rubber band still works. It's got to be several years old. The idea is it's supposed to flick up like that when it's yeah, it's not going to do it with that one. Let's try doubling it over a bit. Oh, it's all a bit crinkly. We'll be lucky if this works. But the idea is you hook that on there, you flick it up, it goes up, and then it swings open and flies down. There's a very light breeze coming from sort of that direction. Are we ready? Almost. It almost opened up. Oh, that's gone. Right. I did bring some other rubber bands, but they're a bit big for this. I suppose I could break one, tie a knot in it. Ah, dear. Didn't even see which way that one went. I did get some good flights, so you'll have to look in the video description for the original videos. There you go. I was using much stronger rubber bands to launch it. Which is why I brought some more with me. Trying to launch away from the sun, but I'm going to have to launch into the sun because of the wind. Nearly opened out. Finally. Oh, well, alright. Nearly. Nearly. He did suggest bending the trailing edge up a bit. Yes, there you go. Oh wow, look at that. That's going to go over the fence. Hedge. Perfect. Well, that was it. Just bending the trailing edge up a bit. I bet you didn't think that was going to work after those first few flights. I remember flying these down on the beach, getting excellent flights and getting them lost up on the cliff edge. I'll try one more flight. There we go. Excellent. I hope the camera's working. So, don't know how many years old this one is. Rubber band failed under there, so I put a new one on. And I just bent the trailing edge up a little bit on the wings, and that made all the difference. So you launch it like that, it flicks itself open, and then it glides. I'm pleased with that. Thumbnail. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.